Hola YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are heading to ano today?
Cambugahi!
Philippines.
Cambugahi po, swing like Teresen. Yeah. And here's our very smart and guapo driver.
Kuya Nonoy.
Kuya Nonoy.
Hi!
Hi. Dahil, ambag na ka dito ha?
No, no,
swing.
Dai, please.
Yes.
No, Dai.
And you have raining waiting. That's a plateau. Of course, you know your terrains, right? There's a plateau, and there's no place there. Just a plateau. And of course, here you have beach lots for sale. So gikuan na naman ako. Vandalism. And
Yeah, but swing like Tarzan.
you have to.
Okay, sige, ikaw akong tour guide.
Okay, so here's the first step.
Yun the second step. Pakadawag to sa Saudi mo Dai. Halingog-muga na sa to. Hala, feeling na ako dili ko mag-video kay Murag.